In today's video, we'll explore how Fred, a process engineer at Evergreen Renewable Energy, leverages Microsoft Copilot Agents to drive continuous improvement. Evergreen Renewable Energy is committed to scaling clean power reliably and efficiently, making disciplined problem-solving and rapid learning cycles essential to its mission. Fred's goal is to make his problem-solving workflow smarter, faster, and more collaborative, perfectly aligned with modern lean principles. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk step by step through how Microsoft's Copilot agents can transform everyday improvement activities. From analyzing data to refining problem statements, each Copilot agent is designed to augment decision-making and streamline learning cycles. We'll begin by discovering where to find these agents within Microsoft 365 and how they integrate seamlessly into existing workflows. Whether you're a process engineer, a team leader, or a continuous improvement practitioner, these tools can elevate the way you work and learn. Join us as we uncover how Fred uses Copilot to accelerate his improvement initiatives and unlock greater efficiency every day. Let's dive in. In the video today, we are going to assist Fred, a process engineer at Evergreen Renewable Energy, in enhancing his continuous improvement process. To achieve this, we'll leverage the innovative capabilities of the Copilot agent provided by Microsoft. Copilot is designed to simplify and supercharge workflow improvements, making it an invaluable tool for industry professionals like Fred. Microsoft has developed a variety of intelligent agents, all accessible on the Microsoft 365 Copilot page. As you see here, several of these powerful tools are highlighted, and they're ready to be explored and utilized. These agents are specifically engineered to streamline processes and deliver actionable insights tailored to your needs. Additionally, if you scroll further on the page, you'll discover a broader selection of agents. While some of these tools aren't developed by Microsoft, they remain highly effective resources to integrate into a continuous improvement strategy, diversifying your approach. However, our focus for today remains on the agents built exclusively by Microsoft. These tools promise seamless compatibility and superior functionality, ensuring Fred's goals of optimizing workflows are met effectively. At every step of the way, we will be utilizing one of the Microsoft Copilot agents to enhance and refine our process, ensuring efficiency and smarter workflows. The Copilot agent is designed to be an indispensable tool for continuous improvement, offering seamless integration and valuable assistance tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's get started with how to access the Microsoft Copilot agent. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft 365 homepage by visiting office.com. This serves as your entry point to all the tools and functionalities Microsoft offers. Once you're on the office.com page, you will most likely be prompted to verify your identity. Simply enter your Microsoft credentials, which will provide you access to the platform and its broad range of features. Upon successful login, you'll arrive at the Microsoft chat page. Here, you'll find options based on your past usage. If you've previously interacted with Copilot agents, they will appear conveniently on the left-hand side of the page, offering quick access to your frequently used tools. Additionally, if you've created any bespoke agents tailored to your specific workflows, these will also be displayed there. To explore all available Microsoft agents, locate and click the All Agents button. This will present a comprehensive list of agents that can support various aspects of your continuous improvement journey. These agents are specifically designed to simplify tasks, automate processes, and ultimately help enhance productivity at every level. The process of refining a problem statement is crucial for setting the foundation for precise and effective problem solving. To begin, we will focus on understanding and assessing how accurate our problem statement is. This step helps ensure that the statement clearly defines the issue we aim to address. Next, we'll utilize tools designed to improve the process. For this purpose, we'll turn to Microsoft 365 and specifically explore its Writing Coach feature. The Writing Coach is a valuable resource that provides feedback on the quality of written content, ensuring that any inaccuracies or gaps in the documentation are identified and corrected. Opening the Writing Coach is simple. It's built as a user-friendly chat platform where you can conveniently input content for review. To demonstrate, let's add some content into this tool and examine its capabilities. For our example, we are working with a document addressing the solar panel connection failure. First, we locate and select the relevant file containing this problem statement, titled IDs. With the document open, we proceed to type in a straightforward request. Please give me feedback to improve my problem statement. Once the query is submitted, the agent processes the information and quickly provides feedback on your input. The Writing Coach thoroughly evaluates the document, identifying key strengths and areas requiring enhancement. Specifically, it highlights positive elements such as a clear description of the symptoms, acknowledgement of the problem's complexity, and the noted business impact. This feedback is invaluable as it reassures you of what is working well within your problem statement. However, the writing coach doesn't stop there. It goes further by offering targeted suggestions to improve the problem statement. For instance, it advises that making the problem statement more concise would enhance clarity. Reviewing the statement, we see that it is indeed somewhat lengthy, which could hinder its overall effectiveness. Additionally, the writing coach points out that there are instances where the terminology needs clarification, such as using solar panel and systems interchangeably. It's important to specify whether these refer to the same thing or distinct components. Another suggestion includes quantifying the impact wherever possible, which would lend more precision and detail to the description. This step might require further analysis, or could be revisited as more information becomes available. With these insights in hand, you can refine your document further. The AI agent's feedback is presented in a clear and digestible format, ready to be copied and seamlessly inserted into your revised problem statement. Whether it's creating an updated A3 template, refining your ideas, or revisiting earlier drafts to ensure clarity and focus, this tool equips you with the necessary guidance to elevate your writing and streamline your project's success. By leveraging Microsoft 365's Writing Coach, users gain practical solutions to enhance their content effectively, from diagnosing the strengths and weaknesses of a problem statement to providing actionable recommendations. The process becomes a collaborative experience between the user and the intelligent assistant. This ensures that ideas are both well articulated and optimized for greater impact. In this tutorial, we're diving into my process of using A3 over ADS to manage and improve problem-solving workflows effectively. So now in my A3 over ADS, I've conducted several root cause problem-solving sessions using a whiteboard. From these sessions, I've transformed the gathered information and insights into loop components, carefully integrating them into my A3 or ADS for streamlined access and organization. This method ensures all relevant data from these sessions remains consolidated and accessible in one place. Next, this brings us to the compiled outputs of these sessions. If you take a look, you can clearly see that all of these root cause problem-solving session outputs are now organized as part of my ADS process. This creates a central repository of insights that can be easily referenced and reviewed, saving time and enhancing clarity across the workflow. Now, as we move forward, my aim is to take this more holistic approach and transform the gathered details into an organized list of root causes. This summary of the analysis will provide a clearer overview of the findings and simplify the next steps. For this task, I plan to leverage the Researcher Agent, which is a powerful tool designed by Microsoft to streamline complex processes. Let me elaborate on the Researcher Agent briefly. It is equipped with impressive capabilities for handling large volumes of documentation, whether they are existing files or online materials. Using this innovative tool, you can efficiently extract relevant insights, reducing the effort required in manual analysis and synthesis of data. To proceed, I'll plug the Researcher Agent into our content workflow. Specifically, I'll click on the ADS file named Solar Panel Connection Failure, and I'll ask the Researcher Agent to analyze this file to identify the root causes of our issue. The focus will be on the default section, which contains the root cause problem analysis, our critical area for actionable insights. Now I'm executing the task by assigning it to the Researcher Agent. Take note that while the Researcher Agent is very comprehensive, it can take some time to produce results. In fact, it's often considered one of the Microsoft agents that takes the longest to process tasks of this nature. However, what's remarkable about this tool is that you can follow its reasoning in real time. Simply click on the agent and observe its workflow. You'll see exactly how it processes information and arrives at conclusions. Be mindful that in its effort to ensure thoroughness and accuracy, it's quite common for the Researcher Agent to return with additional clarifying questions. This process is actually beneficial because it demonstrates its commitment to delivering high-quality results based on the task you've provided. By addressing its inquiries, you further enable the agent to deliver more targeted and detailed feedback effectively. Through this methodical approach, you're able to harness cutting-edge tools like the Researcher Agent to simplify and refine your problem-solving processes, empowering you and your team to address complications efficiently and more confidently. After 5 minutes of processing, the Researcher Agent has finally completed its work. This marks the culmination of a detailed and thorough analysis, showcasing its ability to delve deeply into the required tasks. Now, it's important to note that the Researcher Agent typically takes longer than other agents. While this might seem like a drawback at first glance, there's a reason for the extended processing time. This agent incorporates a wide range of options during its considerations, evaluating numerous possibilities to arrive at the most effective output. This comprehensive approach ensures a higher quality of reasoning and results. An intriguing detail about the Researcher Agent's functionality is its capability to display all its reasoning steps, including potential issues encountered during the process, where information was successfully located, and instances where information retrieval fell short. For example, here, you'll notice that the 24 September solar panel fix connector was consulted as part of the examination. These types of insights provide valuable transparency and enhance trust in its performance. You'll also find that its final output includes references to the sources of information. This allows users to trace back to specific origins if necessary, ensuring accuracy and context. In sum, this analysis has delivered a concise summary of all root cause problem-solving sessions conducted over time. Beyond identifying key findings, these insights can be repurposed and integrated seamlessly into my Microsoft group, enhancing collaboration and overall productivity. Finally, an interesting point to note is that all of these outputs are beautifully integrated into the workflow, showcasing the versatility of the process. This is being generated seamlessly in what's known as a loop page, which serves as a dynamic space to manage and repurpose data effectively. Now I could easily navigate to that loop page and click to open the editing option. This simple action facilitates deeper customization and functionality, making it extremely user-friendly. What's especially valuable about this feature is that it doesn't just open for edits, it creates a new loop page. This page is not only efficient in terms of design, but can also be reused seamlessly within another Outlook page, streamlining the entire process and saving you time. For example, by accessing the loop page, I could decide that I don't need the title of the page, but I do want to retain all of the visuals and other included elements. All of this can be done effortlessly. Following this, I can easily copy that content and smoothly transfer it into an 80s template for further use. Then, I can add that repurposed content right at the top of my root cause problem-solving session output. This works perfectly as a summary, highlighting the findings uniquely while reinforcing key points. By doing so, I transform the output set into a well-structured root cause analysis document that is organized and easy to review. If anyone is interested in diving deeper, they can then open each of the whiteboards where the sessions themselves took place, gaining a more detailed understanding of specific entries. And just like that, you've leveraged the power of this structured workflow for enhanced clarity and usability. Now, Fred has received the new data set that he wants to incorporate into his workflow using the platform's tools. The process begins with navigating to the list of agents, specifically focusing on the Analyst Agents. These agents are designed to handle detailed data analysis efficiently and will be perfect for Fred's needs. To locate the Analyst Agent, you can go to the left-hand side of the interface where it is listed clearly. Alternatively, if you prefer to explore all your agents, you can find the Analyst Agent listed there as well, providing multiple access points for convenience. Once Fred clicks on the Analyst Agent, the next step involves selecting the dataset for analysis. There are two options available for using a dataset. You can choose one directly from your cloud storage, or simply upload the file from your local system. In Fred's case, the data resides in his downloaded files, so he decides to upload this file for analysis. After uploading, Fred requests the Analyst Agent to delve into the data and pinpoint the process with the highest total downtime and the lowest throughput, key insights that will help optimize operations. At this stage, it's important to note that the Analyst Agent may require more time if the dataset is large and complex. This is because it utilizes Python scripts in the background to conduct a thorough analysis. The powerful backend capability ensures that the entire file will be analyzed meticulously. In addition to uncovering valuable insights, the agent will generate visual representations such as charts, making it easier for Fred to interpret the findings and take informed action. The process starts with generating the initial table, which utilizes the mainframe to compile the central findings, ensuring that the core insights are visually organized and accessible. This establishes a foundation for exploring subsequent details. Within this table, we'll notice the layout presenting all stages of the process clearly, the respective total downtime, and the average throughput values, and even highlights the minimum throughput achieved by each stage. These detailed metrics provide a full spectrum view for quick evaluations and performance comparisons. Following this, the summarized data allows us to dive deeper into analyzing operational efficiency. It identifies the testing phase as having the highest total downtime, which opens discussions for potential adjustments in that specific stage. Alongside this, it pinpoints the phase with the lowest throughput, directly linked to packaging operations. This insight is invaluable, as it signals areas that could benefit from targeted process enhancements or even alternative strategies. Lastly, the table suggests possibilities for additional analyses or complementary visual tools that can further enrich our understanding or improve decision-making in these operational stages. Sometimes we find ourselves diving into an Anastasiant because it's so intriguing. It's easy to get engrossed in the details and lose track of time. This happens to me often, and that's when I make it a point to ask plenty of follow-up questions. It's through those additional inquiries that I uncover highly valuable insights, offering a deeper understanding that enhances any exploration of the data. Now, there are two important points to cover here. First, while it's tempting to rely solely on automation, it's always better to personally review your findings. Even tools like Copilot, which are incredibly helpful, can occasionally make errors. Double-checking ensures the accuracy of your analysis. Secondly, as seen with the Researcher Agent feature, you can organize your findings seamlessly. For instance, they can be exported into a Loop page and reused within Microsoft Loop, where they are presented alongside visually appealing charts and graphics. These visuals amplify your ability to interpret and share results effectively, making this process both powerful and user-friendly. So now within our ID's Race 3 process, the next steps involve brainstorming the future state solution. At this stage, leveraging tools like Copilot or generative AI can greatly assist your team by providing efficient and innovative ways to approach this task. It's important to understand that the role of these technologies here is not to replace your team or its creativity, but to act as powerful supporting agents that enhance collaboration and bring additional perspectives to the table. For this specific use case, Microsoft has developed an incredible tool known as ID Coach. If you're new to ID Coach or have yet to use it, don't worry. It's easy to integrate into your workflow. You simply need to add it to your current setup, which can be done quickly and with minimal effort. Once activated, this agent becomes an asset in your brainstorming efforts, offering functionalities that streamline organizing your ideas efficiently. For instance, ID Coach has features specifically designed to assist in structuring brainstorming sessions, planning necessary pre-session milestones, and ensuring all key aspects are systematically covered. Its capabilities extend to providing thoughtful suggestions and recommendations, helping you to make sure no critical point or perspective is overlooked during your team's discussions. Now, let's explore a practical example. Imagine starting with the ideas your team has already gathered. You input these ideas into the tool and set it to generate brainstormed potential solutions. The beauty of this process is how it builds upon what your team has already discovered, offering a range of additional ideas and perspectives. Some of these suggestions might align with ones your team has discussed, while others could introduce fresh concepts that may not have crossed your minds before. This allows you to facilitate your sessions effectively. For instance, during discussions, you might realize that a certain area, like hardware fixes, hasn't been thoroughly addressed yet. You could bring this up and dive deeper into the unexplored possibilities. With just a simple click, ID Coach lets you delve into specific elements and uncover insights tied to them. Proceeding further, you input these elements, like hardware fixes, and press enter. The tool will analyze these inputs, providing a wealth of information such as industry benchmarks and additional expertise, greatly enriching your brainstorming session. These features can empower your team to make smarter, more informed decisions as you map out your future state solution. In this tutorial, we've explored the powerful capabilities of using Copilot agents for continuous improvement. These tools streamline your processes, enhance analysis, and provide practical solutions. For example, we began by incorporating the Writing Coach agent to review our phrasing and refine specific elements such as the problem statement, ensuring clarity and precision in high-importance identifiers. Next, we demonstrated the functionality of the Researcher Agents, which play a pivotal role in root cause problem solving. These agents assist in understanding the context of challenges, identifying contributing factors, and pinpointing actionable steps within various scenarios. Their ability to unravel complexities within problems makes them invaluable tools in continuous improvement workflows. Following our analysis of root causes, we transitioned to utilizing the Analyst Agents. These agents excel in data evaluation, helping uncover trends, patterns, and insights critical to informed decision-making. After completing the analytical phase, we used the ID Coach agent to brainstorm future state solutions and generate creative options tailored to solving the problems identified earlier. This paved the way for a structured plan to achieve our desired outcomes. While today's overview was a broad introduction to these agents, each has significantly deeper capabilities that merit detailed exploration. For instance, Microsoft also offers agents like the Survey Frontier Agent, Builder Agent, and Skills Agents, which can be highly beneficial in specific applications. We look forward to creating future videos diving deeper into each of these tools and their practical implementations in the coming weeks and months. Do you want to learn more about leveraging digital tools for lean management? Then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my blog on Medium. Get tips, insights, and tutorials that will transform the way you manage your team.